Hi. If you watched the first video, the only video, thus on my station here, you will have learned that my name is Brittani Simpson, and in 2016 I went through 4 different surgeries. One was a reconstruction of my foot. I had some hereditary issues, and I also had 2 orthoscopic knee surgeries because I was having a lot of problems with my knees, and we discovered that both knees were bone on bone and there wasn't a lot that they could do. So I needed bilateral knee replacements, and I chose to do them both at the same time, and it's not for everyone, and it's tough. So my mom had both of hers done at separate times, and she suggested strongly that I not do it, but I'm a single mom. I work full-time and I travel, and I don't have time to do 2 recoveries. I also was at one time a couple of years ago, I turned pro as a natural bodybuilder. So I've always worked very hard at staying fit, being natural, eating clean and healthy, and taking care of myself. So I don't have a lot of time for recovery, and I'm the perfect candidate for this. And I looked at a multitude of options of doing these surgeries. I didn't want to suffer anymore. I was tired of the pain. I did injections for 5 years, and they had to become more frequent until they just didn't work anymore. And those were orthovisc injections. I also did cortisone injections. I was to the point of nearly falling all the way down several times a day and having trouble getting downstairs, and having to concentrate at meetings and at work and at the gym to show that I wasn't in pain and that I could walk. I just needed to get it done. So I'm 46 years old, and 3 months ago I decided I was going to get it done. I'm in day 5 of recovery. I went in for surgery on Monday, February 19th. Today is Saturday, February 24th, and I've had amazing family here. I didn't know it was going to be so hard because I was fit. I had the best doctor. I have the best physical therapist. I spent a lot of time researching this, reading Facebook, understanding what this was going to be about. I trained for it. Yes, I trained for my surgeries. I was doing legs twice a week. I have pictures. I'll insert one here so you can see what my legs looked like 1 week ago. So I just want everyone to understand what it's like, and if you choose not to do bilateral, totally fine. I want to say, and I'll say this over and over, every body and every doctor is different. You may not have the same kind of reaction I did. You may have stitches, you may have glue and tape, you may have staples, you might have one leg, you may have a partial. It doesn't matter. We're not here to discuss why you're better or why someone else is worse, or why you did it right and someone else did it wrong, or one doctor's better and another one's worse, etc. I'm just here to help people. I just want you to understand what it's like. I wish I had known. I looked for YouTube videos. I was inspired by a gentleman out of Seattle who did like martial arts, and in 10 days he was walking without his walker, and I said, that's gonna be me. I'm fit like that. I'm even younger than he is. I can do this, and I want to do it now while I'm young because I can recover faster. I didn't realize that I can't lift my legs. I can't walk. I have a belt on because today I almost fell. I'm not religious, but I think God caught me. I should have fallen all the way backwards. I don't know what caught me. And I said, I'm putting the belt back on and I can't be left alone. I've gotten into the shower a couple of times this week by myself. Really stupid. Do not do that. Do not do the surgery by yourself. Do not think you can. Because your legs are going to have swelling. They're cut open. The incision is all the way through the bones. And this is rough. You need a belt. You need a way to have people help you and supervise you so you don't fall when you go to the bathroom, in the shower, in and out of the car, to get a drink of water. You're going to be drinking a lot of water. This helps you recover, but you can't get up to get it yourself. You can't get up to get your ice packs. So the videos I want to show you and I'm going to go through are going to be just short ones to show you how to do these things that I didn't know were going to be so difficult. And again, I'm day 5. Things have gotten a little bit better since I've gotten home, but very little so far. I was told today by one of my great friends and neighbors who's also a physical therapist that in a week it's going to get much better. So each day is going to get better. I'll keep doing my exercises. I can do a video on what those are. But it's going to be a long journey. I know that. I knew that going into this. I just thought it would be easier because I'm good. I'm tough. I'm strong. I've been through a lot. Watch my last video on the channel. You'll see I was walking and I did a trek in Patagonia 8 weeks after getting out of a boot. I walked at the slowest pace you've ever seen because I couldn't bend my foot or my ankle. My calf was completely atrophied last year. And I did it. I thought it was tough and this would be easier, and it hasn't been so far. And it's not the doctor's fault. It's nobody's fault. It's just my body reacted this way, and I'm doing everything I can, and I'll walk through some of those things, and I hope these videos help you. And if there's something you want to see, I'll try to cover it, leave it in the notes, and I'm going to try to make some of these funny too, because you need a little humor. Laughing at all of this, making the most of it is going to help us all through it. Me sitting here on the couch and crying all the time, which I do a lot of, it's not going to help us. So try to be a little bit lighthearted, make fun of yourself. I've laughed a lot. I'm really thankful for my sister and my niece and my daughter, my friends, family, people who've come by to help or to offer their help. Yeah, thank you. We're going to have some good laughs doing this and talk about how to do these things. And again, let me know what you want to see. It's going to be a good time. Cheers.